Hi, first graders. So today we're going to play a game called Adding Tens. But before we start to play, I want you to get a piece of paper and divide it into 4 parts like I did on my paper. And then I want you to do that again on another piece of paper, either on another piece of paper or the back of the first sheet. Okay, so you're going to need 4 parts on this page and 4 parts on another page or the back. Okay, so 8 parts all together. We're going to do 8 equations together. Okay, so if you could pause the video and go get a paper and pencil and divide it into 4 parts, and then you can start the video again and we'll start the game. Okay, so let's start playing. Before we play though, I'm going to explain how we do it. So the first part of the game is we pick a number from this pile and then we make the number with the cubes. Now these cubes are also like base 10 blocks because there's 10 together here, like a 10 block, and then these are like 1 blocks. So these are like base 10 blocks. And then in this pile, we're either going to click and get a number from the computer, or I might put a number up like this. So we're going to do it both ways. Okay? All right, so let's start. So the first number is 28. So I am going to make the number, or build the number, 28 with the cubes. So there's 20, right? 2 10s. And then we need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's my number 28. Okay, now I want to add 60. So how do I make 60? How many 10s? Right, 6 10s. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now remember, we're adding. So the answer is going to be how many cubes do we have all together? So I'm going to count my 10s first. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Okay, so 28 plus 60 is 88. We counted all the 10s first, and then we counted the 1s. So on your sheet, you're going to write your equation and draw the cubes. So you're going to write 28 plus 60 equals 88. And then you're going to make this number with the cubes. You're going to draw 8 sticks because there's 8 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there are 8 ones, so 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to need more time to do this. So what I want you to do now is pause the video and finish this one. Okay? And then when you're ready, play the video again and we'll come back and we'll do the second one. Okay, so pause the video now, finish that problem, and then come back. Okay, so let's continue. Actually, you know, I think it'll be faster to do this. Okay, yes, that is faster. Okay, so let's pick, we just had that number. Okay, the number 2. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is build the number 2. So I only need 2 ones. There's no 10s. 2 is just 2 ones. Now I'm going to add 90 to the number 2. So how many of these groups of 10 do I need? You're right, 9. So I need, there's 10, there's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, I'll squeeze this one here, 90. Now, because we're adding, we have to find how many blocks we have all together. So remember, we count our 10s first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. Don't forget about the ones. Okay, so we have 92 all together. So come over to your sheet and you're going to write that as an equation. 2 plus 90 equals 92. Now I'm going to make this number with blocks. So I have 9 10s or 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 ones. Okay, so if you need time to finish that, pause the video and then come back. Okay, so I just picked the number 38. So I'm going to make the number 38 with my blocks. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay. Now I'm going to pick a card from here. 30. So I'm going to add 30 or 3 10s to 38. So I need 3 of the 10s blocks. 10, 20, 30. Now remember, we're adding, so we need to count up how many we have all together. So we count all the 10s first and then the ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So on our sheet, we're going to write 38 plus 30 equals 68. And I'm going to make my total 68 with my blocks. So I need, look at the 10s, I need 6 10s or 6 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 10s, which is 60, and then I need 8 ones or 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so pause the video and finish, and then when you're finished, come on back and we'll do the next one. Okay, so let's pick our next number. 17. Okay, and I think we're going to add 70. Actually, let's wait on that for a minute. Let's build 17, then we'll add 70. I got ahead of myself. Okay, so think of the number 17. There's 1 10 and there's 7 ones. Okay, because this is the tens, so there's 1 10 and there's 7 1s. So I need one group of 10, one 10 block, and I need 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's my 1 10 and 7 1s. Then I'm going to add 70. So 70 is 7 10s and 0 1s. So I need 7 of my 10 blocks. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we're going to count them all together. We're going to count all the 10s together and then the 1s. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So our answer is 87. So come over to your sheet and let's write our equation. 17 plus 70 equals 87. And now I'm going to make this number, build it with my blocks. So 8 10s and 7 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so hopefully you pause the video and you finish that one. And now you're back to do some more. Remember to pause the video and finish each one, okay? All right, so for this one, let's choose a number card. 12. And let's choose one here, 30. Okay. So the first number we need to make is 12. So we make 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then we're going to add 30. So how many 10s do we need? 3, right? So 10, 20, 30. So let's count this together. Remember, we're going to count the 10s first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Good job. Okay, now we're going to come over here and write our equation. 12 plus 30 equals 42. And remember, we have 4 10s and 2 1s because 42 has 4 10s and 2 1s. So now you're going to draw your sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Okay, pause the video here and finish, and then come back with us. Okay, we are back. So we have the number 15. So I need to build the number 15 with my blocks. And if I look carefully at 15, I see that there's 1 10 and 5 1s. So here's my 10, and then I need 5 1s. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I just built the number 15. I'm going to add 80 to that number. So how many 10s are in 80? If you said 8, you are correct. So I need 8 of these 10 blocks. So I'm going to count by tens because these are 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so let's count our tens all together. Say it with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 15 plus 80 is 95. So let's write it on our sheet. 95. And if we look at the number 95, we see that there's 9 tens and 5 ones. So I'm going to draw 9 tens or 9 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So first graders, we ran out of time to do the last 2. So maybe another time we'll do 2 more. But we did a lot of practice today. Good job. So finish this last problem and keep practicing your math. You're doing a great job. Keep working hard, and we will see you again soon. So take care, everyone.